Hello everyone. So need help paying for groceries in Michigan? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the step by step on how to apply for food stamps, officially called Food Assistance Program or the FAP. Uh, First, head over to Michigan Health website or MI Bridges, and this is the official site to apply for benefits in Michigan. All right. So click on go to this website here, MI Bridges. Now once you are in, and you need to like let me quickly show you the website. This is the portal you'll be landing on. Then all you have to do is click on apply for benefits. So first you'll need to see what benefits are available for you. So if you want this one right here, just click on it. Then you'll need to find if you're eligible or not. So if you're like struggling to cover food expenses for your household, you have little to no income and are struggling to cover household expenses, or you are a migrant or a seasonal farm worker whose income has stopped. So if so, you can apply, and the benefits are calculated based on the number of people in your household and the income, expense, and assets for those in your household. And once you apply, in most cases, the decision is made within 30 days of a complete FAP application being received. For expedited applications, the decision will be within 7 days of an application being received. So now just click for apply for benefits today, and this will take you to this page here. Now you need to create an account. So click on it. So you will only be able to access it from your state. So and for let me give you like more details on how you can apply. So I've already covered the basics, and also someone else can apply for you, and you can also get emergency benefits. And if you like once approved, you will get a card more that looks more like a debit card, and you can use it on grocery stores to buy foods more, or you can like order a new card by calling this number once your application is approved. And that's all for this video. Just make sure to fill out your application correctly and submit them properly on time. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.